Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show this video. So first of all, to insert the shape, click on the insert option on the top tab. Then you just need to click on the shape option. Click on this drop menu. You can find different shapes here. For an example, you just click on the shape and just drag it. You can just insert the shape. So the same process can be repeated. So just going inside the shape and just drag it and create it. Going inside the shape, and I just going to drag it and create it. You can just resize it. You can you can just click on this and you can adjust the size of the shape, and then click on this shape, and here you can find different colors. You can just change. For an example, here can be changed to gradient color, or you can just choose any color. Click on this color first and just choose the theme set like this. Okay, so then here you can see the shape fill color can also be changed if you just need a single color. Otherwise, just click on the shape, and here you can see the outline and also the shape effect like a reflection, or you just need to have a 3D rotation, or you just need to have a soft glow like this. So this is how you just insert the shapes on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.